Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about profit and loss. Whether we buy a toy or we are running a business, the math stays the same. Two golden rules you have to remember over here is that profit is calculated when SP is greater than CP and loss is calculated when SP is less than CP. So what is SP here? SP is our selling price, the price at which we are selling our things, जिस amount में we are selling our products. CP is the cost price at which we are purchasing the things, वो प्राइस जिसमें हम अपनी चीज़ों को खरीद रहे हैं, और SP वो प्राइस जिसमें हम सेल कर रहे हैं, बेच रहे हैं. तो इन दोनों में जब गैप होता है देन वी हैव ईदर प्रॉफिट और लॉस. जब SP ज़्यादा होता है तो यू हैव प्रॉफिट, जब SP लेस होता है, CP ज़्यादा होता है, यू हैव लॉस. ओके. And when we calculate percentage of profit, percentage of loss, so they are always calculated on CP. इनका जो percentage calculate होता है that is always on CP, right? Now, let's move to the questions and solve them. And with that only I'll provide you the formulas. Question number 1, a shopkeeper buys a toy for rupees 250 and sold it for rupees 285. Find his gain and gain percent. So here if you see, what is your CP given? He buys, buy का मतलब CP is given, this is rupees 250. And then what is the SP given? Selling it, तो SP उससे आ जाता है. Selling, ये these are the keywords, buy, purchase से आपको CP मिलता है. And selling, sold, you will get SP, right? So 285, you got CPSP over here. Now you need to find gain percent. अब gain and gain percent why they have written is because SP यहाँ पे क्या है, you see SP is more than CP, right? So what will be your gain? Gain is also your profit, students, right? So gain is given by SP minus CP because SP is more. So 285 minus 250 you get as 35 rupees. That is your gain. And gain percent or profit percent is calculated by profit upon CP into 100, right? So let's calculate that faster. What we will get over here, profit is 35, CP is 250 into 100. Calculate it, what you will get after cancellation. 0 0 here cancel, 5 7s are 5 5s are, and 5 10 cancel, so 7 by 5 into 10 which is 2. So you have 14% as your answer. Profit percentage is 14%, profit is rupees 35. I hope it's clear. Now this next question, Rishi bought a wristwatch for rupees 2200 and sold it for 1980. Find the loss and loss percent. Students, pause the video, solve this question and send your answer in comment box. It is the similar question as that. Only difference over here is as CP is more, right? CP is more than SP, so we have a loss here. Loss will be calculated by CP minus SP, and loss percent you have to calculate it as loss by CP into 100. So solve it, students. Send your answer in the comment. I will move on to the next type of question. A girl purchased lemons at rupees 4 for rupees 3 and sells them at rupees 5 for rupees 4. How much percent loss or gain does she make? Here they have not directly said that you have to find loss percent and directly they have said find gain percent. They have said or you have to decide whether it is a gain or loss. Also we will be using here unitary method. Unitary method means here you see the cost is given as purchase means CP again. So CP of 4 lemons is given to you, correct, which is rupees 3. So calculate CP of 1 lemon from this. Here we will calculate for 1 lemon. So that will be how much? Rupees 3 by 4. You can use fraction also or you can convert it into decimals also, students, right? So we got it as 0.75. Then SP, the selling price, yeah, that is of 5 lemons is given to you as how much? Rupees 4. And you can say for 1 lemon will be how much here? 4 by 5 rupees, okay, which we can also write it as 0.80 rupees, right? Now, what is more? SP is more, you can see. So we have here gain. How much is the gain? SP minus CP calculate. So that will be how much? 0.80 minus 0.75. So which will be 10 minus 5, 5 only, okay, 0.05 is the gain. Now Let's calculate gain percentage, which is gain by CP into 100. So put it over here, 0.05 by 0.75 into 100. Two decimal places in both numerator denominator cancels out. So you will get 5 by 75 into 100. Okay. So 5 you can cancel. 5 ones are 5, 1, 15. So 15 by 100 changes to what? You cancel it by 5 again. So 20 by 3. 20 by 3, either you write it in fraction, your answer, that will be how much? 2 by 3%, or you can also write it as, or you can also convert it as 6.67%. Okay, students, you can write in both the ways your answer. Whatever your teacher asks you to do in that way. Both the ways are correct. Nothing is wrong. Now, similar type of unitary method question I have given you as a practice question. Here also the same thing. Calculate for one orange CP, calculate for one orange SP, and get either gain percent or loss percent, whatever you find. Pause your video, students, solve it, send your answer in the comment. Now, let's move to another type of question. A person sells an article for rupees 550, gaining 1 by 10 of its CP. Find the gain percent. Here, again, if you see, यहाँ पे सेल्स, तो मीनिंग आपको सेलिंग प्राइस गिवन है, राइट? कितना सेलिंग प्राइस इज गिवन? 550. CP is not given. Okay, so we will say let CP equals to rupees X. Okay, now gain is given as 1 by 10 of CP. तो लिख लेते हैं how much is gain or profit, that is 1 by 10 of CP. So CP we have taken X, so gain is rupees X by 10. We have the relationship gain का क्या होता है? What is gain? Gain is SP minus CP. So इसको सॉल्व करते हैं अभी, चलिए. So gain हमारे पास है X by 10, SP है 550, CP is how much? X. So transpositioning, X by 10, bring X here, so it will become plus X, 550. Take LCM 10, X plus 10X is equals to 550, so you will get 11X by 10 is 550. So how much is X? 550 by 10 into 10 by 11. So that's 50. So CP comes out to be rupees 500. So we got our CP as rupees 500. I hope it's clear, students. Now let's move to the gain part. We have to calculate the gain percent, right? So what will be the gain from here? Gain will be X by 10. So X we got 500 by 10. So it will be rupees 50, right? So we got our gain. Now gain percent calculate करते हैं, और profit percent gain by CP into 100. So let's do that. What will you get? Gain is 50. CP is 500 into 100. Cancellation. 100 5s are 5 10s are. So you got gain percent as 10%. So we have the answers. CP also we got, and gain percent also we got. I hope it's clear. Similar type of question I have given for practice. Pause the video, solve it. On selling an exhaust fan for rupees 7350, a man gains 1 by 6 of its cost price. Find the cost price of the fan. Here, they didn't ask for gain percent or loss percent. They just asked the cost price. So you have to stop when you get X. I hope it's clear, students. Solve it, pause the video, and send your answer in the comment box. Now, next question. Here, very important question this is. Okay. Comparison of the cost price and selling price is given to you, right? What comparison is given? Let's read it out. Cost price of 18 mangoes is the same as selling price of 16 mangoes. So you see, students, here SP of 16 mangoes is how much? CP of 18 mangoes. This is very important thing we have to understand here. What is happening over here? If you think that you are selling less things, right? You are selling less. 16 mangoes sell कर रहे हो आप 18 mangoes का price में, तो आपको obviously profit हो रहा है यहाँ पे, right? You are selling less thing for more. Okay. So what we will do is we will assume here something. Let CP of one mango. We will assume, right? CP of one mango is rupees X. या तो आप rupees X ले लो. There is one more easier way. आप just rupees 1 ले लो. But students mostly say no, हमें X ही लेना है, तो that is okay. So let CP of one mango is X. So what will be CP of 18 mangoes? So what will be CP of 18 mangoes? Rupees 18X. So What will be the SP of 16 mangoes is rupees 18x. Okay. Now, when we find gain or loss percent, the number of quantity should be same. Yeah. So if we have SP of 16 mangoes, so we should get CP of 16 mangoes also. So what is the CP of 16 mangoes? 16x. So SP of 16 mangoes 18x, CP of 16 mangoes 16x. So what do we do now? We compare. SP is more, right? So we have a profit or gain here, SP minus CP. So which is 18x minus 16x, which is coming out to be 2x. So what will be the profit percentage here? Profit by CP into 100, that is, how much is the profit? 2x by 16x into 100. X cancel, 2 cancels with 8. Now 100 by 8 you can cancel by 4 stable, which is 25 by 2. So that comes out to be 12.5%. So is this clear, students? Now let's move on to the next practice question. If the CP of 25 chairs is the same as SP of 30 chairs, find the gain or loss percent. Exactly the similar type of question. Pause your video, solve it, send your answer in the comment box. Okay. Now coming to the 9th question now. Different type of question again. By selling a book for 68 rupees, a bookseller earns a profit of 20. Now by selling a book for 648, so again SP is given to you. Selling hai keyword, sold hai keyword, so you get SP. Now he earns a profit, so profit percentage is given to you here, right? Profit percentage is 20%. So SP, agar profit is 20%, so SP basically is 120% of CP, right? SP is actually 120% of CP because you are having 20% more. Now here you have to calculate the CP. Formula क्या use करोगे इसके लिए, that I'll tell you. So CP, how do you calculate? If I said that SP is 120% of CP, so convert it into this way. How do you write it? It is this. So CP will become what? 100 by 120 into SP, right? In this way you write. Got it? So इसका formula भी मैं बता देती हूँ क्या होता है. CP is given by 100 plus profit percent into SP. Profit की जगह if they would have given loss, then the formula would have been 100 by 100 minus loss percent into SP. Okay. Same way we have formula for SP also. SP directly is 100 plus profit percent by 100 into CP. I'll write down the formulas later on, but let me just do the question first. Now we have to calculate CP, तो direct values put करते हैं. 100 plus how much is the profit percent? 20 into SP is 648, right? So let it be 100 by 120 into 648. Cancel करते हैं. So with 12 you can cancel it. You will directly get 54 here. Okay. So CP comes out to be 540 rupees. Okay. So they asked only to calculate the CP, right? So we are done with that. I hope it's clear, students. Now similar type of question practice के लिए दिया है. You pause the video, solve it and tell me the answer in comment box. So by selling a table for 6,384 rupees, 6,384 rupees, a shopkeeper loses. Okay, so loss ka formula I have given you here. Okay, you have to again get the CP. But at the end of the video, I'll tell you one more formula for SP the same way. So if profit percent or loss percent given hai, so SP will be given by 100 plus profit percent by 100 into CP. Loss percent if it is given 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP. Okay. So students, here in this video, I have taken level 1 questions. They are easy questions only. Yeah. In the next video, I would be taking little level 2 questions.